c'est parti. C'est un coup dur pour ma famille et moi. Il était toujours heureux. Il souriait, il riait. Il faisait toujours des blagues. Je voulais aussi dire que un de mes plans, c'est de faire une fondation au nom de Mikaben. Je voudrais aussi que tous ces projets continuent parce qu'il avait beaucoup de projets et beaucoup de projets. Je me souviens une fois, on était en Haïti ensemble chez Mamiline et il a demandé à la servante d'aller acheter du thym pour lui. Et puis la servante est revenue et puis elle a dit pas de thym. Et puis mon papa a dit pas de thym, gardons thym. Je sais qu'il va nous manquer tous. Et je voulais remercier ma famille et tout le monde qui est ici. Merci d'être venu pour mon papa. Je vous aime.
That is one good-looking bunch of people. Thank you all so much for coming. Thank you for all the positive energy. Thank you for all the support and all the prayers. If there's one thing Mika and I believe in is positivity and prayers, and that always helps. So I was supposed to write a speech, tell you about my husband, but I think you guys already have an idea of who he was. I can tell you he was full of joy, full of laughter. I can tell you he was a hard worker. He's a dedicated musician, but you guys already knew that. So I thought I would give you guys a little inside scoop to how we met and we started dating. He really wasn't my type at first. So my cousin Kaolan had a birthday party and he was hi baby, and he was a performer there. And you know, I don't really get starstruck, so it was whatever, you know, Mikaben, J. Perry, Eric Vilgal, okay, whatever. And at the end of the show, I went and hugged the person who hosted the party, which was called Christian. And I went and said bye or whatever, and he was in the middle of a conversation with Mika. So I was like, oh, excuse me, I'm trying to leave, you know. Thank you, it was a great party. And I said, oh, you did good. And I left. So per Mika's recollection, he was telling me the next day he was supposed to go play tennis with one of his bestest friends, Olivier, and my cousin Frankie, which I didn't even know that they knew each other. So the time came for them to go play, and Mika was just stuck on his phone, just swiping through Instagram. He's like, I'm looking for this girl. We took a picture together. I know they're going to post it. How are they not going to post the picture with me? So they're swiping. Frankie's getting impatient. So Mika kept the course and he just kept looking. But what he did not know is that my cousin is very present on social media, so the picture was bound to come out. So he finally found the picture and he's like, yo, me famna. And so Frankie's like, bueno. And then, so he turned the phone around and he's like, this girl, I need to know her name and I need to know how I can reach her. And Frankie was like, what? So Mika was like, yo, is that you? Is that your ex? Like, what's up? He's like, nah, man, that's